welcome to another video from Omcan. I'm here introducing one of our floor model bandsaws, item number 10272. We're just going to do a quick demonstration on how to set up the fixed table and sliding table onto the unit. Right now, I'm just showing the two parts that come with it. This is the sliding table, and then this is the fixed table. Okay, the fixed table will be inserted through here and then down here, and the sliding table will be here at the front of the bandsaw. Comes with an on-off switch. It gets mounted to the sliding table at the front, a set of blades, and your assembly screws to mount both tables, and your instruction manual. This is your waste tray that's provided. It's easily removed. You could discard whatever waste you have and then easily put back into place. What we're going to start with is the fixed part of the table. The only thing that slides is this arm here. Two bolts here. You remove them. Comes with a washer and a lock washer. Okay, so your bolt, your washer, and your lock washer. And it's on both sides. These are to be put in place once it's fixated into its proper placement, and we'll show you that now. We'll demonstrate that. So you grab, you put it through. This is a two-person job, just remember that. Okay, so there's a lip on this fixed table to the left of the bandsaw. It's on both sides, here and here. And what you do is you lift up, make sure it's in place, okay? But this blade guard has to go up all the way. You can see the lip here. It has to lock into place, so I have to push the fixed table into its location. And that's it. You'll grab one of these with the washer and lock washer. So washer first, then lock washer, then the bolt. Okay, we'll go underneath. So lock washer, washer. You slide it into place, and you do the same on the other side. And you just literally screw into place. So now this table is secure. You can proceed, okay? And just hand tight. That's it, nothing more. Sliding table, this back bracket gets mounted here on the back wall here. So there's threads here, and there's one hole that slides into this place here. The other holes are here, are meant for these bolts here to secure it into place too. So they give you 3 spots to secure the sliding table. So let's go ahead. Okay, so there's 3 washers, 3 lock washers, and then they give you extra, so it's just 2 nuts, okay? Lock washer and a nut, but they put it on a little bolt like this. You put the lock washer into place, you put the nut on, and you turn. And then you use the size wrench, open-ended, to secure into place. And then again, you do it with the opposite end here. My recommendation is just to hand tight, because you need to move this, you need to have some play to have the bolts going to the places here. So for example, the bolt will go here, you would open the door, washer, lock washer and nut for these as well, go into place. You tighten it, and you would do it for all 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So we're going to mount the on-off switch. It comes with 2 bolts, 2 lock washers, and 2 nuts, okay? When you look on this part of when mounting it, you can use the nuts to mount the switch temporarily just to hold this into place. If you haven't used all 4 bolts yet to secure this into place, it's just a temporary hold. And then secure all 4 bolts, remove these nuts to be used to mount the switch. So now this demonstration is to show how to mount the switch. It has 2 pre-drilled holes here and an additional 2 pre-drilled holes here. So put the bolt underneath like that. Put the lock washer on top with the nut. And then secure it into place. And then you would do the same thing for the opposite side. Feed the bolt, lock washer. And now this concludes the video of the assembly of item number 10272. If you have any further questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to call us back at 1-800-465-0234. Thank you.